Hi guys, I'm here today with a very interesting project, and that's an artificial 7-feet palm tree with 3 trunks and 245 LEDs with remote control. And here I have the wired version. We can see it comes in a couple of different parts. Here we have the base, the socket. Then we get all these palm trees. And then we have the trunks. And what we already can see is that it's very solid. It's not just like a toy, very thin, cheap plastic. This is really massive, solid. And here we get the socket plate, which you can use on the ground to give some nice stability. But that's not everything. Comes also with these hooks if you want to place it outside, or with this inflatable base which can fill with water. And we get as well the power supply and the remote control. So it comes with everything. So I'm going to show you how to assemble it and then how it looks. And so here we have all the material, the whole equipment, and it comes also with a short instructions manual, so it shouldn't take too long to finish it. And you can see the central parts are really solid metal. We have metal here, we have also metal here, and also metal here inside. You can hear that, really massive, solid. And so we remove the screws here, and then we place the base here on top, and then secure it again with these 4 screws. And then we add the different trunks, the A to A. Of course, we start with the A1. So we open this a little bit, push it down, and secure it again. Of course, after everything is attached, we can remove these ladders here to make it more beautiful. And of course, on top of the A1, we put the A2. And exactly same procedure here as well. And we remove this sticker. And then we do the same thing with the B trunk. And of course, same thing with the C trunk. And every time we reach the top, which is first, of course, with the C, we find these leaves, which we have to bend now in a natural shape. We can just push them upside. You can see absolutely no problem. And we find also the light here. And this will be same thing for the A5, the B2 and the C1. And so we remove the wire here, and then we wrap around this string light around the trunk. The distance between 2 windings should be around 9 centimeters. All the connections here are IP44 waterproof, so we just align the pins, push it here inside, and then screw over the cap to make it really waterproof. You can see it turns on automatically, and the whole construction is very solid. So you can see I can just grab it and lift up the whole construction easily. And the palm leaves are naturally bendable, so you don't have to leave them straight. You can point them up first and then bend them so they are bending down towards the outside to have a really nice natural shape. And so here we are after about half an hour. Everything is finished and everything worked very well. The awesome thing is there were absolutely no showstoppers, no big problems or so, things which I had to remove and start from scratch again. Some things which can be super frustrating. This has not happened here. So everything is very, very straightforward, very easy to mount, easy to do, and everything looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, it's not totally dark now. Outside in the dark it will look even better, but already inside it's a really beautiful enhancement to every room, maybe outside in a patio or so. This is absolutely fantastic. And here we have also the remote control. Of course, we can show to turn it off, turn it on. It's a huge difference. We can also use it for dimming in different brightness. Then we have the different functions. You can see how nice this is. Number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and number 8, steady light again. But I love also this one here. It's absolutely beautiful. Then comes also with a timer. We have the 4-hour, 6-hour, 8-hour timer. Yeah, looks really good. I mean, it's not absolutely natural, but I would say this is as natural as it gets. So if it doesn't have to be all natural for you, this could be the perfect thing for you. Perfect decoration, perfect enhancement for your room inside or even outside because it's waterproof. Yeah, so I'm really happy with it. Again, you can secure it down to the ground with the stakes or with the water bag, but it's already very stable. Of course, when you're putting it outside, then it has to be made more stable, but it looks really nice. And by the way, there's also an option available with solar panels, so you don't need to wire it to 110 volts. Also a really good option. So I'll put down both of the options down into the description, and so you can check them out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.